Hey guys, welcome to Pat's Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, in today's World Series, we are going to explore Mbabane. Mbabane is in Eswatini, formerly known as Swaziland. It's in the southern part of Africa. Well, I traveled there and it was quite an interesting place to visit. Here are some fun things you can do in Mbabane. Firstly, you can tour the Ngwenya glass factory. It is Africa's most prestigious glass factory. I have some few pictures in the website. Check them out when I visited. Then secondly, you can visit the rich culture. You can experience it at the cultural village, the Swazi cultural village. They have very vibrant dances. Then also, you can visit their national parks. Like I visited Lane National Park, and there is also, not so far from Mbabane, the Kruger National Park, which is one of the largest parks in Africa. Then also you can get some good souvenirs from the Swazi markets in Mbabane. Well, there's so much more I learned, even some of the language. I learned some and I put it on my website. And for more details, check out my website, patsoasis.com. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.